large swarm of red wasps on the cedar. Looks like they're trying to bury in and mate right now. They were all tangled up earlier.
Look at all the woodpecker holes in this downed log. Is a tree that is infected by agrobacterium, and this is the one that they have pirated and learned how to use it as a vector plasmid to make genetically modified organisms. Look at this beautiful little viola. Isn't that pretty? That is probably the progenitor species of a modern day pansy. Look at this Mississippi beauty. Is that not gorgeous? That's a pollen swamp out there. Beautiful. We're still on the upper trail and you can see part of Ark Butler here.
We talked about the annular rings and of course how you have the bark, but how you can count to see you know, how old the tree is. To see where one growing season begins and another one, or one ends and one begins. Pretty cool.
Yes, it is. Beautiful bracket fungus. And another good lesson is that fungus does not have photosynthetic ability, but you can get algae growing upon it. Tell me about it.
Arthropod.
A beetle.
It's a beetle.
Probably has 6 legs, couple of antennae. Yeah. Looks pretty happy right there, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Cute. Have you ever seen a hollow railroad tie? I don't see any critters back in there. There's that tree that I crawled through in that other video, except it's underwater now. That would be even more of an adventure if I would do it while it had water in it. Last year the buoy was over here, and after the flooding this spring, we can see that the buoy has moved about 50 meters to the south. And this actually right here is the turning point to go back north to go out of here. So we need to mark this area before we leave. But let's go take a group picture by the buoy. That's a good idea.